Here's a quick view of the OcuMow LawnMaster. It's a perimeter wire-free robot lawn mower. So basically, this is designed to cut small lawns. So the lawns that are 1,000 to 2,000 square feet. It has optical navigation, obstacle avoidance, and supposed to be low noise and no-go function. So this is an Amazon purchase right now because they're just getting out there. It's at $399. It only comes with the basic accessories. There is no extra blade, and it's sturdy and it's small. That's the wheels, and it has a battery and the charger with it, and I will show you the bottom of it. It has like a really small blade, so let's see how it is. There's so much pre-work you have to do before you actually start using it, because you'd have to prepare your lawn. I'm gonna show you the instructions at the very end, but this is just a quick view of it. So these are the blades, and there's a wheel that that helps you turn on the front. It has again, it's for small lawns. It's supposed to have a 3 hours covering the 2,000 square feet, and then it also drops the small clippings on lawn to feed the grass. But here's the instruction I was talking about. There is an included perimeter guide that you can use, but here there's a lot. Like, you have these steps to do before you don't just turn it on and just do it. So let's see how it is. I haven't used it yet, but I'm just showing you what the box contains as for the price that's going on right now with it. But it could be worth it. I will definitely upload videos of using it next.